Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're baking lemon cookies. But here's the deal. I keep talking about how baking is flexible. It is. Maybe not quite as flexible as cooking, but it's close. It really is. Do you have a lemon in the house? Go ahead and use that. If not, there's lemon powder and lemon oil that you could use. Or do you have an orange or other type of fruit that you could use? Use that instead. Do you have coconut in the house, shredded, that you have been wanting to get rid of? Well, this is a great recipe for that too, so you can add things into these cookies also. Either way, it's going to be delicious, but of course, because I've never made it before, I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I think they'll be great. I'm also making them because I like to make up these lyrics. We're making cookies, come on, get happy. Lemon and sugar all the way. Simple to make, come on, get happy. We're gonna eat them throughout the day. Oh yes, we so will. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Unsalted butter. Sugar. Cream together until it's a pale yellow. This could be done by hand as well. 1 egg. Vanilla. Lemon juice if you used a lemon. Lemon zest from that lemon. Mix together until combined. Mix your dry ingredients together, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, whisk together. Add in your dry ingredients. Stir to combine. To make your lemon cookies look even more yellow, add in some yellow food coloring. I'm going to start with 2 drops. And we're going to see how this goes. Use a tablespoon scoop or just a tablespoon. Scoop out some of the dough. And then I'm going to put it in my hand first. It says to roll afterwards, but I'm not going to do that. And then into sparkling sugar, which I love. Look how pretty that is. Sparkling sugar. Yay. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is roll that again in my hands. Okay, look at how pretty that is already. Onto my parchment paper. The recipe doesn't state it, but you know I'm a big advocate of refrigerating your cookie dough before you bake it. So into the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Into the oven for 9 to 10 minutes if you want a softer cookie. For a crunchier cookie, wait for it to start to brown just barely around the edges and about 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's take them out. Oh, they look lovely. Let them cool for about 5 minutes on the cookie sheet and then transfer them to cool completely. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, look at this lovely lemon cookie and that sparkling sugar. Oh, yes. They smell lemony and sugary, and there's butter in there too. These are going to be great. Let's take a bite. It's like eating a ray of sunshine with the lemon in the cookie. And of course the sugar and the butter, and that sparkling sugar. Sparkling sugar makes everything better. But this is truly a great cookie. It's sort of like a butter sugar cookie to the next level with the lemon flavoring and the lemon zest. But what did you decide to do? Did you use a real lemon? Did you use lemon oil? Did you use an orange or some other type of fruit? Or did you add coconut, which would make these also extra special? All I know is these are delicious. If I can make these lemon cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.